in Africa, people believed that there was God of rain. So could you please tell us?
Hizo masiku ya kitambo yenyewe ilikuwa inasemekana mvua inanyesha, ama walikuwa tu wanategemea kuomba hiyo Mungu wa Kirinyaga. We call that Mungu wa Kirinyaga.
How did they call the Mungu wa Kirinyaga, like in native language, like in your
my language?
Yeah, in your language.
Ngai wa Kirinyaga.
Oh, so guys, you heard the god of rain was called Ngai wa Kirinyaga. Hi guys, hope you all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. In case it's your first time here, you're highly welcome, and my name is Sioch Tindi. Kindly consider subscribing. We are road to 1K subscribers. Like, comment, and share it to your friends as well. Tap on that notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever I get to upload a new video. So guys, it's a cloudy, chilly weather, and it seems like it's gonna rain anytime from now. We are so excited to be receiving rains because it's been a while. It's been long since we received rain in my country. Having not received rain for so long, this is one thing that really inspired me to take those shots for you guys, film this video for you, my guys, because water is just life in general. So let me know where you're coming from. If really there are signs of rain, drop it down in the comment section and let's have a conversation. If at all you're really coming from Kenya, because where I come from, it's gonna rain anytime from now and it's gonna be exciting. So today's vlog is a different one. It's about rain, just rain, and how the weather looks like, and just appreciating nature, because yeah, we miss rain, like we just miss rains and that cool weather. I mean, it's been hot. If you guys have been watching my videos, you probably have seen me complaining about the hot weather. So guys, it feels so good to be experiencing cool and rainy weather season, at least for a change. So yeah guys, let me know, are you excited about the rains? Because personally, I'm super excited about the rains and about the rains. So yeah, let's do this. Yay. Probably this is gonna be the longest intro ever. I mean, I was just excited to do this for you, my guys, to film this video for you. I don't know if I've run out of ideas or what, but I just got inspired. The fact that the rain is, I just got inspired. The fact that the rains are coming, and it's been a while. It's been long since we had rain. So this is just one thing that just inspired me to film this video about rainy weather, rainy season, and rainy days. So yeah, let's enjoy this, man. In my country, businessmen and business ladies are opportunists in action. Let me know in your country if businessmen are opportunists as well. Drop a sweet comment for your girl. So guys, on this episode, I have with me Mama Aleki. I just paid her a visit at her food kiosk, and she's gonna be helping me out with this topic, and she's gonna be telling us all about God of Rain. As I told you earlier, in African society, people used to believe that there is God of rain, and it really rain for real. So let her introduce herself. welcome. Karibu Mama Aleki.
Thank you. Naitwa Mama Aleki. And you are welcome.
So Mama Aleki, itaongeza sauti kidogo.
Okay.
So Mama Aleki, could you please tell us what people in the African society, or rather the African setting, if it's really true? You know me, like I had such stories through history, but I've never had a chance to experience because lol, I come from the 90s, you guys. So but can you just tell us what people believe that they are God of Rains? Because I was telling my audience, Team Siot, that in Africa people believed that there was God of Rains. So could you please tell us?
Hizo masiku ya kitambo yenyewe ilikuwa inasemekana mvua inanyesha, ama walikuwa tu wanategemea kuomba hiyo Mungu wa Kirinyaga. We call that Mungu wa Kirinyaga.
How did they call the Mungu wa Kirinyaga, like in native language, like in your
my language?
Yeah, in your language.
Ngai wa Kirinyaga.
Oh, so guys, you heard the God of Rain was called Ngai wa Kirinyaga. Yeah.
Walikuwa wanaenda hapo na wanatandika, tuseme kama kuna mti fulani walikuwa wanatandika chini ya hiyo mti, na wakikaa hapo wakiomba, mvua lazima ingenyesha. In fact hata walikuwa wanakimbia sana kwa sababu lazima ingenyesha usiku hiyo.
Oh. For real?
Yeah.
And I heard that special tree had a special name. How was it called?
Okay, weta kwa Mugumo.
Oh, Mugumo tree.
Mugumo.
Oh, so the prayers were answered like immediately.
Oh, hiyo. Yeah, siku hiyo lazima mvua ingenyesha.
Oh. So was there any tactic or any way that you could get closer to God, or is it
okay? Because
nowadays, in like for example in our country Kenya, we have been experiencing drought, and we had a long period of drought, like let me say like drought, because without experiencing rainfall, but eventually it's rainy season. So ni nini yenye ilikuwa inafanyika hizo siku? Mungu alikuwa anajibu maombi like haraka. Is it because nowadays people are not serious with prayers, or is it that people are sinning, ama ni aje?
Okay. Masiku za leo kuna madhambi nyingi sana.
Dhambi?
Okay, kwa sababu sasa hata wale wenye walikuwa wanaenda hapo chini ya mti ni wale wazee wenye hawajajishanganya na mambo ya dunia, wenye walikuwa so clean. Sasa hao ndio walikuwa waende pale, sio watu tu ovyo ovyo. Unaona watu wa siku hizi sasa ni kama wameingiza miungu mingi sana. Sasa hapo unajua ukiwa na Mungu mwingine, Mungu anakuondokea. Kwa hivyo wale walikuwa naenda pale ni wale walikuwa karibu sana na Mungu. Yeah.
So guys, she is meaning that those days, back in the days, people prayed persistently and they were serious in their prayers. Like there's no mixing up, like you are in one leg, you are on God's side, and on the other side you are in the world. You have to be totally depending on God and setting your trust in God. In that way, God will answer your prayers. So you just heard this episode, and it's true. You just heard from her, Mama Aleki herself. She comes from those days, and that's it. So what do you tell Team Siot, Mama Aleki?
You support this girl and you subscribe to her channel.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Asante sana Mama Aleki, and we'll do more of these videos, and I would love to do a food vendor kiosk video with you. Okay. So you guys, Team Siot, stay tuned because amazing content is coming, more street videos, especially from Team Siot. Having I've experienced water shortage and use of salty water in my local area, this is how life looks like in the ghetto. We normally harvest rainwater and use it for drinking and other domestic uses. We normally believe that it's a blessing from God. Let me know if really you do harvest rainwater when it rains. Drop a sweet comment for your guy. Oh my God, just look at those. They're so beautiful. Oh my God, Africa. But there, guys, this is a meal. This is meal to some of communities in living in Africa. Yeah, it's normally consumed as a snack or just a whole meal. Back in my village, we eat them. Oh my God, Africa. This is Africa for you guys. Can you see that? Huh? Blessings that come handy during rainy season. Oh my God. They are called rainy flies or what? I'm not really sure of the name. Drop a comment if at all you know how they are called. Either in your native language or in English. Oh my God, look at those. Here's their sauce, guys. Let's look at those. Look at those, guys. I don't know if you guys can see it. Just look at those. Can you see them? They are coming from this point. This is their sauce. Can you see them, guys? Guys, and my phone is being rained on. The struggles of content creation. Guys, you should really give this video a thumbs up because I'm really trying. I'm out here being rained on. My phone is being rained on as well, so that I can create this content for you, my guys. Just look at that. Can you see this? Oh my God. Just look at that. This is a meal somewhere in Africa. Kenya, Africa. Yeah, guys. Look at that. Just look at that. Oh my God. Africa for you. This is Africa for you, my guys. If you don't believe it, I'll bring the raw version of it from the village. If maybe I get a chance to get to the village and rain gets to rain there. This is just one of the fun activity moments that we used to enjoy so much when we were kids back in my village. We could go outside and collect a container full of rainy flies, then roast them on a hot pan without use of any oil because it has its own oil. Let me know if you've ever tasted this rainy fly, and if yes, let me know how it tasted. Drop a sweet comment for your girl. Other than that, we could also go outside and play with mud, and we were so creative in that we could model things like pot and mug. Let me know which were your fun memories during rainy season. Drop a sweet comment for your girl. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe and give this video a like if you haven't already. Go ahead and spread the love. Tell a friend to subscribe as well. Until next time, bye bye.